How to create images with ChatGPT. Want to generate custom images using ChatGPT? Let's walk through the simple steps to create visuals for your projects. So start by writing a clear prompt. Include the subject, style, and mood. And then go ahead and remember ChatGPT creates one image per request. If you want multiple images, run separate prompts one at a time. And then you can go ahead and refine your prompt by adding style or format details like realistic, cartoon, watercolor, or 3D render. You can also specify perspectives such as close up or aerial view. Experiment with variations by tweaking your prompt, for example, cyberpunk skyline at night with neon rain or in minimalist flat design. Save each image after generation and label them by theme or style. This makes it easy to reuse and organize later. And that is how to create images with ChatGPT.